Hello, Tiger families. Welcome to Towson University. We're so happy you're here. The Office of New Student and Family Programs at Towson University encourages all family members to sign up for TU for Families, the online portal for family communication and engagement. This is the best way to stay up to date with information specific to the Towson community and families. All right, now let's create your account. Using a search engine, search towson.edu/families. You will be directed to the Towson Families webpage. Scroll down to find Family Communications and click TU for Family Sign Up. If you're creating a new account, click Sign Up. Enter your name, email, and a unique password to create your account. You will be prompted to fill in information to personalize the content you will see in the portal. You can indicate your interest in specific topics such as financial aid, career development, or student involvement. Content on the portal can also be customized based on your student's academic class, individual identities, and other classifications. You will get regular news and information on these topics. You can even select to participate in parent and family needs surveys to help improve our programs and communication. Next, you can select your student's academic year and what semester they enrolled at Towson. Now you can finish creating your profile by uploading a profile picture and updating your notification settings. Awesome! Now you're ready to start receiving information and resources to stay informed and engaged on all things happening in the TU community. The posts you see in the portal are created by New Student and Family Programs, other Towson campus departments, and outside organizations that support families with students in college. The posts you see on your news feed are based on the communities you join. To see a full list of communities in the portal, scroll down to the section titled I'd Like To and click Discovered Communities. You can join a community based on your student's academic year as a current family member. Towson University communities are based on different aspects of university life and are open to families of current and prospective students. You can adjust the content you receive by adding and removing communities. Joining communities is the best way to receive personalized content based on your interests. You can interact with our content and other family members in the portal by commenting under a post or sharing them on other platforms like Facebook, X, or LinkedIn. You can even email a post to your friends or your student. There may be times when we need to send important messages from TU administrators, share signature events happening on campus, or communicate urgent campus news. Click the bell icon to read announcements. We will also send the announcements to the email listed on your profile. You will receive bi-weekly newsletters in your email by default. These newsletters share 5 upcoming calendar events and summarize popular posts from the week. Be sure to read these emails for anything you might have missed in the portal. You can update your notification settings to receive the newsletters as often as weekly and also opt in to receive announcements by email. Tiger families, we are so happy to welcome you to the Towson community. We look forward to communicating and engaging with you all through the TU for Families portal and on campus. Thanks for watching.